I should have got some chips. I'm so glad I added pickles. I can just taste pickle juice. I had got me a Disney Plus account. And I love Marvel sci-fi movies and Disney movies. I don't care, I'm a big kid, but I love Disney Plus. Like everything I watched on there so far was good as fuck. They got this one show on there called Ironheart. It kind of remind me of like a female Iron Man. That's definitely what it was. But she was building a suit. And it did look like Iron Man suit, but it's so good, like 10 out of 10. And the show I'm watching now, it's called Agatha All Alone. That's good too. Like everything on Disney Plus is so good. Y'all know they have the add-ons now, like Hulu and stuff like that. I've been had Hulu. I just always wanted Disney Plus, but I didn't want to get it because I felt like I wasn't really gonna be on there watching shit. I'm probably gonna finish this other one later. It's so juicy, y'all. Before I was getting the chicken bacon ranch sub, but